Hello everyone, so today we will proceed with our subdivision modeling, and today we will start with a cube. Great, so let's move the cube and add some divisions. Great, so I will go to the front view, separate this part and let's move it to the side, yeah, and even delete it in that one, yeah. Great, so I will try to do this like that. I want to have this shape somewhere in the 1 unit scale, yeah. Great, I will snap the grid. Awesome. So for the next, I will add some divisions in here, yeah. So with a connect tool, I've added 3 divisions. Great, we have something like that. Pretty awesome. Let's go to our shape, and for this area, as it's a cube, probably I'll try to remove for now the edges, and for this bottom one, and not probably for the top one, I will use the circularize tool of Maya. Yeah, let's do again. Let's just try to do circular. Let's say this shape, okay, and apply circularize in here as well. As from the top, I want to have at least looking like a cylinder, yeah, and I hope it will be looking like a cylinder. Yeah, we can straighten these lines, yeah. Great. Okay, so we have like a cylinder or something like that. Just add divisions. Wonderful. For the bottom part, let's select faces or object or anything and just flatten it. Wonderful. So what I will do, I will snap my foot point and throw it to this area, and as you can see, we have a problem. We basically, yeah, okay, I'll remove this line and try to scale a bit. I will clear everything, reset, remove history, etc, and scale it down a bit, and we'll try to snap these points to this mesh, yeah. So okay, let's select both of them, and let's proceed with a quadro tool. You will try to snap them all. Tedious work, annoying, but yeah. The problem is that I forgot, that when I will circularize, it will change the shape, or not forgot and was too stupid to understand that. So okay, we'll learn from our mistakes, yeah. Great. You're probably just watching right now, not trying to achieve the same result. Great, so what we will do next, we need to do the cut in here. If I want to do the cut in here, yeah. Alrighty, so we have a cut. We can straighten this area, or I'll select probably these faces and just do extrusion. Let's offset, something like that. Great. And yeah, basically we can just straighten this lines. Very good. And I don't know, maybe the offset a bit bigger. 0.11, 0.9, 0.8, and yeah, maybe 7 or 0.07. Okay, sorry, I will leave it like that. Great. Select it and delete. Wonderful. Awesome. Okay. So we'll do, let's check that axis. And I did it on the x-axis, and it's a bad idea. Okay, so let's just rotate it by 90 degrees under the x-axis, yeah? Under the z-axis, sorry. As I'm always flipping over the x-axis, so just stay consistent. Okay, so let's delete this half of it. Yeah? What we'll do next, we'll select this two edges and let's go and bridge it. Awesome. What we'll do next, select this whole and let's I've selected everything and just try to fill hole. Awesome. Let's exclude offset. Maybe something like that. Cool. Okay. Just do it like that. Okay, so let's move it and delete this used face. Great. So let's move to the cut tool and try to do some quads. Wonderful. And here too. And let's split, or we forgot to create it in here too. Great. So what I will do, I will go to the cut tool and I will create few edges in here. Straighten them, and snap it to these edges here. That manner, can go and merge them. Great. So yeah, for the top one, for the center one, let's say, we'll do the same thing. Just straighten it, and here go to a multi-cut tool and try to create this line, straighten them, and for this last one, I mean, just take a quadro, whoops, and snap it. And as you can see, we have a perfect spot, everything looking great. Okie dokie, so what we will do next, we will create history, freeze transforms, and duplicate the object, and over X, flip it. Let's combine it and go merge with vertices. Let's check it. We have something like that. Looking brilliant, great. So let's select as two faces, just duplicate. Probably I will move the pivot to the bottom of this area and freeze it, duplicate it, and flip it over the X, or over the Y axis, yeah, in order to get something like that. Whoops, vertex point selected, merge it. Cool. Okay, let's go to the frontal view, move it, check it how it will look like. Doesn't look so bad. Okay, so what I will do next, I will move it up, we'll select our pivot and whoops, and snap it to the vertex point and move it to the grid. Snap it to the grid. Yeah. Okay, so for this bottom part, I will select the edges and just bevel them, chamfer, great. And for this one, snap it to center, and I will snap to this grid, to this, let's say, vertex point. Yeah. Now I will go and do bevel above the chamfer. Great. So let's see what we have. Let's assign new material we need reflections, definitely. Let's on this triangle, right click, blend, darken the material, increase reflections. Great. Same material, you can assign to the other part, yeah, and just remove from now wireframe. So basically, we ended with something like that. This is pretty good. So we hitting the 10 minutes. Great. And here you can see these lines. That means we missing some division. We definitely can increase and work with higher divisions. However, it will be easier to do that later. And you can smooth, etc., etc. So don't be panic about that. So okay, don't waste time. Go in here and probably select like that. Yeah, we will have now I'm doing things in here. Okay, select everything in here in this inner part and just duplicate it. Yeah, great. I will, yeah, everything, history, etc. I will isolate this part and let's reverse the normals. Great. And let's try to move them by 90 degrees. Great. So what I will do next, I will scale it like that, and let's check it how it will look. Something like that will be good. I don't know. Maybe a bit bigger. Maybe. Okay. So what I will do next, I don't like this set pinching. Let's say I will try to delete this line. I don't need it. Okay, so what I will do, I will select everything here. I will deselect these lines, and I will, for this guys, just use the bridge. Awesome. Great. So let's select these lines and try to, I will go to a front view, and now we can go and stay to the grid. Let's say, yeah, we have something like that. I like it. Okay, just snap it to the vertex point. Okay, can split into the two windows, and let's snap to the grid in here, and snap probably in here, or even like that. Maybe. Okay, let's leave it for now like this, and just go and select this. Okay, top faces, duplicate it again, and pivot, clearing the history, everything rotated by 90 degrees. Wonderful. And yes, snap it to the grid as well. And as you can see, I'm trying to do that bevel, big bevel, yeah, big curve thing, yeah, and I will do it away this line. Great. So what we can do, and just like that, select the bottom part, deselect this, and delete it. Great. For this part, we'll snap our thing, pivot into the frontal thing, and again, I will align it like that. Awesome. So let's combine these two objects. Yeah. Select the spaces and just, yeah, I cannot see right now the bridge command, so I will use from the shelf. Where is that one? Okay, just use the bridge, go and do bend. You cannot see any difference because you do not have enough division, and when you're adding divisions, as you can see, voila, we have this thing. Yeah, so probably something like that will be great. Yeah. Okay, so let's move it, this thing, this handle side of this, and let's check it out how it will look. And if you don't like this broken normals, just move the mesh and soften edges. What select definitely first and use soften edges. Yeah, great. Okay, so let's smooth everything and check it. And it's looking pretty good. Okay, so probably we need a bolt in here, something like that. Yeah, awesome. So let's now we can use a cube, we can use a cylinder. Okay, let's use a cube. Example, doesn't matter. Yeah, we can smooth it. Okay, let's go to the on-sand view, something like that. I'll isolate these two things. Let's center the pivot. I will do bevel in here. This part can extend it something like that, and later on we will do the bevel on demand. Yeah. So enable wireframe. Okay, so somewhere here you can have this bolt. Yeah. Oops. Effective. Okay, so let's bring it a bit. Smooth it. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll select that one. I'll go to front view. Yeah. And I will do cut. Oops. Select these vertices and center them. Delete another side. Okay. I'll go in here and probably, I will do another cut. Select these guys and just scale a bit. Let's see. Now we need additional geo in here. Okay. Let's scale a bit, something like that. Looking pretty good. Okay, let's look how it will look in not smooth preview. Okay, great. We have something like that. We can assign the same blend material. Definitely we can play and try to align the surface, but it is not able right now. Okay, so what I will do, enter the pivot, flip over the X, merge it. Okay, we have something like that. Wonderful. And yeah, as you can see, as simple like that, we're creating the handle. Yeah, wonderful. Okay, and definitely later on we can add some divisions, in order to have a, let's say, proper amount of divisions. Same thing in here, maybe 2, maybe 1, we'll see. Okay, something like that. Yeah, definitely later on if we will need, we can add that. Right now I will remove, I will try to align with the rest, because we need to do that handle in here too on the cube, so shouldn't take much time. However, it should be something. Okay, less talks, more work. Let's try to, yeah. Mhm. Okay, go with something like that. Okay, so we can do Boolean. We can do, as to be honest, I don't like when we are trying to have settings like that, you know, and when you're missing all these things, definitely you can go and play like that, but it's not precise, you know. Yeah, you can live bad, not precise. Okay, so for now probably we will play it like that, but later on we will need to fix it. Oops. Okay, let's do it like that. And I've deleted that part. We don't need it. We won't see it. Yeah. And we, as you can see, basically in the quads. Same with here. We don't need it. So we can just go and selecting here, duplicate and history, this transformation, and over the X. Can just merge everything, and we will get this handle. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so this is it. It's a simple, it's cool, and yeah, we have something made very fast. Definitely, if you want, you can go and you see how much stretching it is. It's a madness. Definitely, you can go and try to add some divisions in here in order to get less stretching on this thing, on the handle. And probably in here too, I will try to scale it, something like that, in order to get closer to the, let's say, this area. Yeah, something like that. So you have everything you need. Definitely, you now, after these changes, need to do same thing. I mean, you need to do mirroring over the X again and merging everything. Okay, so this is it for this tutorial. I will do it right now. And yeah, good luck. We will proceed soon, and soon we will complete probably one of the objects. Okay, here, duplicate, Ctrl G to group it, completion.